2023 Scarab 195 ID Impulse in the black denim with denim graphics. A Scarab trailer, swing away tongue and surge brakes, pop-up cleats. Got the wakeboard tower with bimini top. Nice usable swim platform, boarding ladder, walk through access to the cockpit. Inside the boat, the rear seating has the lay-down Versa Lounge full sun pad with walkover cushion, fiberglass floor with seagrass carpeting, thigh-rise bolster for both chairs, full instrumentation, tilt steering, 8-person capacity. It has the digital speed control package, in-floor ski locker, open front, we'll access the engine compartment. This has a 300 horsepower Rotax engine, biggest engine available. Storage underneath that seat along with battery switch and storage there.